What's up, guys? In recent news, they've said that Taco Bell is getting rid of like a dozen different items off their menu, and it came to my attention there's been a number of different popular items that Taco Bell has removed from their menu. So I figured I'd make a video showing you how to order some of those discontinued items anyway. So today I'm going to show you how to order a Meximelt. A Meximelt was on the menu since I want to say it was like 1986, and they got rid of it last year in 2019. However, if you know how to order it, you can still order it because they still have all the ingredients. I mean, that's the thing with Taco Bell. The vast majority of things, aside from things like the naked chicken chalupa, which obviously they require those shells, the majority of things on their menu are just a reorganization of the few ingredients they have. And it's all amazing. But at any rate, I'm on my way to Taco Bell right now, and when I get there, we'll order one. Can I get 2 cheesy roll-ups and add beef and pico to those?
Alrighty, can I get you anything else?
That's it.
Alright, does the screen look correct?
It looks good.
416 at the window.
Thank you. That's another benefit. They're way cheaper. They used to be like $2.90 a piece. Now I just ordered 2 for less than $5. Parking space so I can show you that these are actually Meximelts. These look a little smaller than what I remember them being, but let's see how they turned out. Yeah, that's basically a Meximelt. Look at that. So, if you want to know how to order a Meximelt now that it's no longer on the menu, just get a cheesy roll-up, add beef and pico to it. It's less than $2. Comes out to like $1.90 or $1.95, as opposed to the $2.90 they used to charge for them. But I mean, hard to argue with the results. Wow. There we go. Well, there you have it. Click the like button, subscribe, all that jazz, and let me know in the comments. Do you want to see more videos on how to order previously discontinued items at Taco Bell? I'd be happy to make them. I'll chat with you guys later.
Love it.